Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. We make it easy to generate leads across all your sites in your multi-site network. In this video, I'll show you how to use OptinMonster with WordPress Multisite. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. After logging in as the super admin, navigate to the network admin dashboard and select Plugins. Click Add New, search for OptinMonster, and then click Install Now. Once you've installed the OptinMonster plugin on your WordPress multi-site, you can activate it for the entire network or on a per subsite basis. If all or even most of your subsites will use OptinMonster, then activating the plugin for the entire network will likely be the best fit for your workflow. To do so, simply select Activate here. The other option is to activate OptinMonster on individual subsites in the network. If only some of your subsites will use OptinMonster, then this is the preferred option. To do so, navigate to the Subsites plugin menu and select the Activate link. Repeat this process for each subsite on your network that will be using OptinMonster. And that's it. You're ready to begin generating leads across all the sites in your network. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.